Everyone talks about millionaire mindset, but no one asks this. What happens when you've already had money and then lost it? You know that quiet panic that sits in your gut, that jaw that won't unclench when you open your banking app, the chest that gets tight every time someone says next level? That's not mindset, that's your body remembering loss. And it's the real reason abundance keeps slipping away. Today, I want to talk about why your body protects you from wealth and how we can gently teach it that it's safe to have more. The way we do inside 21 days to rewire your brain and body to millionaire frequency. Hi, my name is Nilofer Safdar, and for 30 years, I've helped coaches, healers, creatives rewire the fear, guilt, and imposter energy that keeps their nervous system in survival mode. So money stops feeling like pressure and starts feeling like peace. I've worked with people who'd made six figures, then crashed, people who gave everything away because guilt ran their business, and people who literally froze when clients asked their rates. One client, let's call her Sarah, had lost wealth three times: inheritance gone in the market, money gone in divorce, savings gone in an investment. When she came to me, she said, I thought I'd cleared the fear, but it's still there in my body. She wasn't being dramatic. When we talked about money, her throat closed, her hands went cold. This was her nervous system whispering, not safe. And maybe you know that feeling too, the gut that flips before a launch, the tight solar plexus when you think about raising prices, the jaw that aches from holding everything in. So you just push harder, you journal, you manifest, you hustle, you do affirmations while your body is screaming. Don't you dare let that happen. You call it resistance, but really, it's just protection. And why that's not working is because mindset lives in the brain, but safety lives in the body. If your body associates wealth with danger, your frequency can't hold it. It will find a way to spend it, give it away, sabotage it, anything to feel safe again. You can't outthink your body, you just have to regulate it. So here's how we start. Step one is the awareness. Pause. Notice where fear sits right now. Is it the chest? Is it the gut? Is it the solar plexus?